Hey guys, we received this ACEMAGIC Vista V1 N97 mini PC for test and try. It's a 16 gig DDR4 RAM with the 512 GB SSD. It's a mini computer with a 12 Gen N97. So let me just open up this box. As you can see, this is a really nice metallic box, and this is a Intel processor N97 with the 4 cores. So for the heat dissipation, they have a really nice design. Say on the bottom, they have this small pin, and the side also there is a windows for the heat dissipation thing. It's a LAN port and multiple ports in here that you can use. So they have the LAN, they have two USB here, one HDMI, one DVI, and the power adapter thing. They have two additional USB and then the speaker or the headphone jack on and off button. So overall, it's a really nice design as I can see from here. And this have a 512 GB M2 SSD drive and a 16 GB DDR4 RAM. So it's pretty fast mini PC for your daily use. So there is nothing like in the box. You have this HDMI cable, a power adapter, the bracket for the monitor. So let me just take out all this stuff and show it to you. So as I mentioned, they have this power adapter thing. So that goes in here. And then there are the different ports. So one RJ45 with one DP 1.4, two for supporting 4K, and also two USB 2.0 Type A and a DC jack. So in the front, as I mentioned, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 and one by 3.5 phone jack and a power button. This is the monitor back. So if you want to just put it on a monitor in the back, you can use this and just put it in here. Screws and everything is provided. So you can also add it to the monitor in the back. So you can just adjust it in here or you can just put it in the back and then use. So let me just put it in the monitor and see how this works. So I attach it with the monitor and you can see like the USB for the keyboard, mouse, HDMI, speakers and everything. So connection is well. I just press on and off button and then it will start working here. So this one you see like all the connections and this really went well. No issues with the connection. So I just updating the windows and every stuff. I'm just opening a YouTube. So the browsing is fast with the 16 GB RAM and we can also see like if I search anything, it just give me the prompt results. I'm just putting a royalty-free video just to see the effect or the stuff. This is a 4K video. It's and this is a 4K monitor. So looks really pretty well and works well. There is no issue with the connection with the Wi-Fi. The heat dissipation and everything is fine. I don't feel even the fan speed or any stuff. And this is like the world. I'm just working. So this is really good for your daily work. I don't see any issue and this is pretty fast with a 500 GB of this SSD and you can take it anywhere with you as a small PC and connect it with any monitor. So this is a PowerPoint. I'm just trying to show you. So working is fast, save and everything is fast. Everything is working really nice and clear. So this is the sound quality that is coming, but it's from the speaker, but royalty-free music, and you can just see the clarity. So everything is really good with this mini PC.